Hello friends, today we are going to go through basic walkthrough MySQL, and today we will be doing part 1. Mainly this is about installing MySQL, and we will install and test it. Along with the MySQL we will also install Workbench. So let us get started. So I have mounted a disk which is ISO image. I am using this one. So we will install this installer. Let us see what installer brings in. If that is only MySQL, then we will later on get the, I would say, we will get another image installer if we don't find a Workbench included in this one. I hope this one is only the micro is MySQL, but let us try if this one shows us. Well, you know, the when we had installed this one is 5.6, I believe 5.613, something like that. The package that we used to create the PDF, that was 5.6.40 something 42 whatever. So doesn't matter. Let us click this one and we will see what we get in the package, right? So let us see. uh, Connect to the internet, fetch the product, update information, connect to the no, actually find the latest product. We don't need to skip this one. We don't need to go for internet, like for let me see what I did in the other one. Okay, well, yeah, well, in the one with the my PDF document, we don't have this step available, but I am skipping internet connection, right? So we are just installing whatever we have in this package, right? So let us see where it goes. Oh, let me see back. So what we are going to install, we are going to install server only, right? The server only developer default. Install Michael. So if we go developer default one, MySQL server and tools required for application development. This is a Workbench is included. So yeah, which is good. Actually, server, and then if we go for a full, that will MySQL Workbench, MySQL connectors, everything. No, actually, developer. Well, we can go for this one first, and we can later on, or we can go for a, whatever customer. No, developer default is good. Let us go through developer default. This will install a couple of things. Well, I don't know if it needs MySQL CE 606, right? Well, MySQL for Visual Studio, no. MySQL for 32-bit runtime. Can we? I'm not sure. It doesn't have it available. But let us execute and see. Error occurred during the installation. Manually install the prerequisite. So requisite is a 32-bit runtime for Microsoft Visual C++ 2010. So let me see if I can fetch something like the runtime. If I would say if I skip this one, if I go back and server only, let us see if that goes through. Yeah, requirements. Yeah, it's good. We can install server and then we will see later on if we need 2012 VC plus. So I will let it install and I will come back, rejoin you guys when it completes, right? Meanwhile, I will check if we have VC plus available or we have to download for 32-bit. Then, oh, well, it install completed, right? So let us see before initial configuration is started. Mm. Then development machine is show the advanced option. No, actually we are good with the whatever we are getting. Root password is okay, 123 AST, and repeat the password. So it's weak, but no problem. MySQL username, add user as skill to MySQL password is like this. Yeah, so it is customizing the one. Okay. Then we will see if the same package can allow us to install a workbench. We will not necessarily have to have that one, but if we can have the workbench also, that will be better. Configuration complete. Right, next. So this has been completed, and let us see if we can install. This time I will try to go to the custom. If install updates, no, modify features. Okay, I want to have workbench. MySQL server is good, but applications, which applications? MySQL workbench is this one, right? Other things are not urgent. So CE is good if we can have that one. Now it is asking for MySQL C runtime. Let me put you on hold for a second, and I will get the binary for 32-bit runtime. Hello friends, yes, I found the runtime that is required. Let us keep this one on hold for now. Meanwhile, we will try to install our I have read the license. This is 2010. This is what it is asking for. Visual C++. Visual C++, right? We are good with this one. This information to check up. We should be, if this goes in, then we should be able to install the virtual good installed, which is very good. I will include this one into the package, including like I don't know if that will allow me, but at least I can burn this one into our what we called is from my ISO image, and we will try to do that. So checking back again one more time, and see, I'm not connecting to the internet, and execute. Fetch the update. Oh well, but fetch the update information. I don't want to, but add. I would like to add applications. So go for the workbench. This is the one I want, and now from there we will see if, oh yeah, that is available. .NET 4 C or whatever is available. Both things are available requirements. So this workbench is going to be installed, which is very good. This is good news. So I will try to burn this redistributable in the image for next in the next one. We will be having this one, if just in case we want to. So installing workbench is which is good. We will go through any practice that we can do with this one. So success. When it is success, then let's go next and start a SQL workbench after setup. So let us see how it looks like. I clicked to start it up, right? So yeah, well, this is good news. I will include that one into local instance. Oh yeah, good. So root and not applicable root, whatever. So utilities and good. This looks good. Workbench looks good, right? So I'm not sure. if I have enough real estate here for this one. But scripting shell, let us see. Oh, yeah. Well, there are a couple of things that I also have to discover how these things are working. From our document, might be slight different, but what we did is even in with the PDF we have installed server 5.6. Well, this is same version as I used, but okay, that's fine. We have installed this one, and I am going through looking at, yes, I gave the same thing, I did same thing. Then after that we have installation is complete, and then we will MySQL Workbench 6.0.9 MSI installer. I will have to find out where did I use the CD inserter, but actually I don't think so that we need to do that. But in D drive, MySQL community, Workbench community in D. So there are a Workbench community disk. I have a couple of, yeah, that is good. And MySQL Workbench Visual C 2010 is required. Yes, it in our document it is also same way. Then Workbench to CE. Then MySQL Workbench complete. Installation was done, and then wizard completed, and then it started like the same black screen. From there, click on the EER diagram. So where is EER diagram? Let us see if we have EER diagram. Where is EER diagram? Scripting shell workbench form like Tequila full. So workbench loads, you click the database to explore. Skilla full is the database name in lower left corner. Oh yeah, well, on her lower left corner we will check this database. Oh, good. Then where is the EER diagram? Okay, lower left corner, as you see, click the database, opens in it opens in the design mode showing EER diagram. Good. EER diagram. So EER diagram is available. Then this is oh well, good. Then from there you can close the workbench and start the command line. So we can close the workbench and we will start the command line. How we start the command line? 5.6 command line client, it will ask the password. So 5.6 command line. So let us go to MySQL and then 5.6 command line client. So this is the one, it is right. It closed, did not open. Why is feeling bad? Let us try 5.6 command line client. Is not coming up. So it will ask for the password. So if not, then let us try this one. How we can start command line. So let's see. MySQL, right? That should work. No. If we have to go for the path, we will see if there is something missing or we need to restart maybe. So for installation part it is complete, but let us see what else we can do here. Okay, Oracle is there, there are a couple of something. If that conflicts with this one, then I will have to redo the installation. But let us first of all find out my computer. From my computer we can go to C drive, and from C drive we can go to find from the program files where is MySQL installed. So MySQL is there, and there is installer, this is workbench, and there MySQL server 5.6. In that one we have the bin one, right? So let us go into the bin one, and then we will change to this one, we may not have path set up, but we can do that one, work around that one. So MySQL, right? Let us see what it says. Oh, error is access denied for ODBC at localhost. Using password, no. So MySQL will start with the user is you SQL, right? Access driver ODBC driver. So how do we start MySQL? Because command line client is not starting by itself. So we will have to find out client Unicode. Can we try Unicode? There are two. So let me try Unicode one. I did try the other one first try. So if that works, we will keep using this one. Workbench is starting, but this one, second one. No, this one is not starting. We will have to find out what is the issue. By the way, installation is complete and I will check out. Maybe it is because of Windows XP. I don't think that it should be like that, but let me restart it and then we will meet back tomorrow in another session where we will be doing something in second part of this walkthrough. I will let you know if there is any issue coming up, but in case of any issue, we can change Windows. We have other Windows versions also, which one works better. Because when it was installed, I'm not sure because it seems to be XP, so XP should be fine. So please share, and subscribe, and let us know your opinion, your views, your requirements, so that we can bring something up for you to get ready for your better future. So we are here to help you. Thank you very much.